Hey there, science fans! Have you ever wondered how a cake bakes or why fireworks explode in a burst of color? The answer, my friends, lies in the fascinating world of chemical reactions. These incredible transformations happen all around us every single day. A chemical reaction is like a magic show where substances, the ingredients of chemistry, combine, break apart, and rearrange themselves to form entirely new substances. Think of it like this. You take some building blocks, break them apart, and then use those same blocks to create something totally new. Chemical reactions are essential for life itself. From the air we breathe to the food we eat, chemical reactions fuel our bodies and keep the world running. They are the driving force behind everything from cooking and cleaning to medicine and technology. So, buckle up, science explorers, as we delve into the exciting world of chemical reactions. Get ready to be amazed by the invisible forces that shape our universe. Now let's talk about the different ways matter can change. There are two main types of changes, physical and chemical. Physical changes are like changing your outfit. You might look different, but you're still the same person underneath. Think about melting an ice cube. It changes from solid to liquid, but it's still water. H2O. Chemical changes, on the other hand, are a whole new ballgame. They're like building a whole new structure with your building blocks. It's a complete transformation. Imagine burning a piece of paper. The paper turns black, smoke rises, and you're left with ash. That's a chemical change because the paper has transformed into something entirely different. Sometimes, substances like to hang out together in what we call mixtures. Think of a bowl of trail mix. You've got nuts, seeds, and maybe even some chocolate chips all mixed up. But what if you only want the peanuts? That's where separation methods come in. We can use different techniques to separate mixtures based on their physical properties. Distillation separates liquids with different boiling points. Chromatography uses a material to separate substances based on how they travel. Filtration separates solids from liquids using a filter. Phase transitions, like melting or freezing, can also be used for separation. Chemical changes are the real showstoppers of the science world. Remember that burning piece of paper? That's a chemical reaction called combustion. How can you tell if a chemical change has occurred? Look out for these telltale signs. Color change. A new substance often means a new color. Think about a rusty nail or a browning apple. Gas production. Those fizzy bubbles in your soda? That's a gas being released. Temperature change. Chemical reactions can release heat, exothermic, or absorb it, endothermic. Formation of a precipitate. Sometimes two liquids mix and form a solid, like adding lemon juice to milk. Light emission fireworks wouldn't be nearly as exciting without light being emitted. Scientists use a special shorthand to describe chemical reactions, chemical equations. These equations tell us what substances are reacting, called reactants, and what new substances are being formed, known as products. Here's the catch: matter can't be created or destroyed, only transformed. That's the law of conservation of mass. So we have to make sure our equations are balanced, meaning we have the same number of each type of atom on both sides. Think of it like building a tower. You can't magically make bricks appear or disappear. You can only rearrange them. Balancing equations is all about finding the right combination of coefficients, those numbers in front of the chemical formulas, to make sure everything adds up. Types of reactions. A colorful cast of characters. Just like there are different types of dances, there are different types of chemical reactions. Let's meet some of the most common ones. Synthesis. Two or more substances combine to form a single, more complex product. Think about building a sandcastle. You're taking individual grains of sand and combining them into something bigger. Decomposition. A single compound breaks down into two or more simpler substances. It's like taking apart your Lego creation back into individual blocks. Displacement. One element replaces another element in a compound. Imagine someone cutting in on your dance partner. That's displacement. Redox reactions. Electrons are transferred between atoms. This is like passing a ball in a game. One atom loses electrons while another gains them. Chemistry in action from kitchen to cosmos. Chemical reactions are happening all around us all the time. In the kitchen, baking a cake involves a complex series of chemical reactions that transform batter into a delicious treat. In nature, photosynthesis is a vital chemical reaction that allows plants to convert sunlight into energy, releasing the oxygen we breathe as a byproduct. Incredible. Even the rusting of a car is a chemical reaction, albeit a less desirable one. By understanding these reactions, we can learn to control and utilize them for our benefit. The power of chemistry. Understanding our world. Chemistry is the study of matter and its interactions, and understanding chemical reactions is key to unlocking the secrets of the universe. From developing new medicines and materials to solving environmental challenges, chemistry plays a vital role in shaping our world. By grasping the fundamentals of chemical reactions, we empower ourselves to make informed decisions about our health, our planet, and our future. Chemistry is not just a subject in school. It's the language of the universe. And by learning it, we can begin to understand the world around us on a much deeper level. Keep exploring the chemistry around you. So there you have it, science explorers. We've journeyed through the exciting world of chemical reactions, from the basics to the profound. But this is just the beginning. The beauty of chemistry is that there's always more to discover. Keep questioning, keep experimenting, and never stop exploring the wonders of the chemical world that surrounds us. Remember, science rules.